The 3M Whole House Water Filter AP141T. This is an ideal whole house filtration system suitable for residential use. It gets installed at the point of entry of the main water supply to your house or to your flat. It reduces sediment, rust and the scaling properties of hard water through 5 micron filtration and scale inhibition media. It comes with the built-in shut-off valve and a transparent housing for easy viewing of cartridge. It includes AP420 cartridge and a wrench for easy opening and hassle-free cartridge replacement. It is manufactured from FDA 21 compliant food grade materials. Now come, let's see how does this filter actually works and benefits you. Hello friends, do you know how hard water that enters our houses affects our day-to-day life? Right from rusting, scaling, affecting our clothes, our hairs, it affects our routine life constantly. Today I am going to demonstrate you a simple experiment to show how hard water causes scaling and other effects to our household things. So right here I have these two beakers. In these two beakers I am going to put this water. However, in this beaker, I am going to dissolve this scale inhibition media which is present in our products. Let me dissolve it for a few seconds. This media works on a simple sequestering principle. When it gets dissolved into the water, it encapsulates the hardness salts so that they are not able to stick on any surface they come in contact with. At the same time, the hardness salt present in the water cannot precipitate out of the water even at high temperatures. Let me dissolve it for a couple of seconds more so that the reaction is complete. Now what I'm going to do is, I have these two heating rods, new heating rods I have with me. I'm going to heat the water in both the beakers at the same time. You can see the boiling has started in both these beakers. Let's heat them up for a couple of minutes. So what I can notice here clearly is this beaker which has the raw water. You can see a lot of cloudiness in the water and I can notice some scaling also in this rod. Whereas this beaker which is treated with 3M media is more or less clear. Let's heat them for a couple of more seconds so that the water comes to the boiling point. Then we can clearly demonstrate the effects of hard water on the scaling rod and the water. Let me now, the water in both the beakers is sufficiently boiled. Now let me take out the rods and show you the scaling effect on the rods. Friends, here you can see in the beaker which was treated with 3M media, there is hardly any scale formation on this rod, but this rod has a lot of scale formation on it. At the same time, you can see the difference in both these beakers. Here the hardness salts have precipitated out of the water and the water has become cloudy, but here water is more or less clear. So this is a clear indication how 3M systems can help you to eradicate the ill effects of hard water on your appliances. Remember one thing, this test is only on the media present in our filters. But when you actually use the product, you subject your water to a 5 micron filtration as well. At that time, the results are much better. To book a free site visit, you can call our local dealers or our toll-free number in order to treat the water that touches your family. Thank you very much.